Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join this family right now. And also, this video is just simply me gonna organize this closet here, which is my bathroom linen closet. I thought I was recording previously, but I guess I wasn't, and so I got it halfway done. So I'm just removing everything, refolding stuff, and getting rid of a lot of items that I had done already. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. And again, like I said, I will be doing several things, not too much today, but actually just organizing this closet here, like I said, which is located in my bathroom upstairs. And also I'm going to show you guys how to deep clean your ceiling fan. So I hope you guys just stay with me today. And now let's get right into the video. Okay, here is the ceiling fan that's located in my kitchen, and this ceiling fan catch a lot of the grease and a lot of the dust that gets on this fan. So we're gonna go ahead and just take everything down and just cleanse it right now. But first of all, always make sure you turn off your electricity where it's coming from, so you will not get shocked. And I'm glad that I have my husband here, which is going to be taking everything off for me, because my back, I told you guys, been hurting me. I've been out of commission. I can't really give you too much footage of so much because I can't do too much. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and show you how we take the ceiling fan apart and cleanse it and put it back together. Oh my gosh, now look at here. This is layers and layers of grease on the back of this board here. So yeah, you can see it here. Oh my gosh. But one thing, like I said, it just catches so much grease here. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to clean it and get all that together. And the first thing I did was going to go ahead and soak everything. But let me tell you something, what I did wrong was, please do not soak them. I forgot this is real wood, whatever you want to call it, but plexiglass, I don't know what it is. But anyway, these materials you should not soak because they will warp, and you will see it in my video how it looks and how I just made a mistake and left them in too long to soak. So now I'm going to use my Awesome and my micro washcloth. I'm just going to damp it and then spray it and wipe it down the ceiling fan and just keep going until the grease comes off. When using this product, it's so much better and easy because it's like a degreaser. So it gets everything off easy, and with the micro fabric cloth, it just works so much better. You guys, if you don't have one of those, you should all just invest in them because they are very good to use around your house. So guys, we are at the end of this video, but before I go, I want to show you this area, what I was talking about. Do not soak it for a long time. This is what happens when you soak it for a while and it gets warped. So I just want to show you guys right here how it looks. But I hope you guys enjoy this video anyway. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be alerted. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now. And if you have any comments whatsoever or any suggestions or what should my video be next or anything like that, you can just comment down below. And if you're looking for any other cleaning supplies or everything that I use, I leave my link in my description bar down below, so you can just click on it and you can order right off of where I purchased it from. And again, you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you on the next video.